Powerful protein picks of 2023. Unboxing. Top 3 protein powders plus exclusive combo deal. Today, we're diving into the world of protein powders, exploring the cream of the crop in 2023. First up is the Noble Whey Protein in a delectable vanilla flavor. Not only does it satisfy your taste buds, but it also packs a punch with premium whey protein. Next on our podium is the Garden of Life Sports certified grass-fed clean whey protein. This one's not just clean, it's certified grass-fed for that extra nutritional boost. Ideal for those who demand quality without compromise. And of course, we can't forget the classic Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard, a fan favorite for its unbeatable taste and effectiveness. But wait, there's a surprise. One of our top picks comes with an exclusive combo deal. Grab the Noble Whey Protein, a sleek shaker, and a stylish t-shirt, all in one fantastic package. Check the link in the description for this unbeatable deal. Dive into the details, find your perfect match, and take advantage of that exclusive combo deal with Noble Whey. Links in the description. Let's level up our gains together.